Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about MQTT. MQTT is Message Queuing Telemetry Transport Protocol. So this is communication protocol used in IoT for the communication between the devices. And MQTT, the full form of this is MQTT is Message Queuing Telemetry Transport. Basically, this protocol is lightweight publish subscribe messaging protocol. So what does it mean? It means it based on the publish subscribe messaging transport. And this is ideal protocol for connecting remote devices with a small code footprint and minimal network bandwidth. So what this that type of devices it is best suited. And in IoT based system, MQTT is widely used, and this is used in variety of industries also, such as automotive, manufacturing, telecommunication, oil and gas industries, etc. Now, what is MQTT? So basically, MQTT is a client server publish subscribe messaging transport protocol, and it is lightweight, open, simple, and designed so as to be easy to implement. And it is very easy to implement this MQTT protocol. And the characteristics like this is simply and easy to implement, make it ideal for use in many situations, including constraint environment. So, what is the meaning of constraint environment? And that is basically machine to machine and Internet of Things context. Contrast environment is somewhat related to this type of communication. And here, small code footprint is required, and the network bandwidth is also less. And this description is taken from the MQTT official website, and this is written under 3.1.1 specification. So with the help of this diagram, you can summarize your MQTT protocol. So basically, it work on publish subscribe based model. So here you can see these are the three devices. So basically, this is the case of temperature sensing application, and these three are the 1, 2, and 3. Three devices, three sensors. Three devices are there which are measuring the temperature, and that temperature is published, and that published information is received by this MQTT broker, and again this broker communicate with the application and or user end. So this is basically this diagram basically showing the publish subscribe communication between client and server. This is, and here MQTT broker plays an important role. It receives the information from the client, and again various and user and can subscribe that information. Information is published and sent to this broker, and from this broker information can be accessed. For that, these devices have to subscribe with this MQTT broker. So this is the publish subscribe model. So MQTT runs on the top of TCP IP model using a push subscribe topology. And in MQTT architecture, there are two types of systems, clients and brokers. Broker is a server that the client communicate with. In previous slide, you have seen that temperature sensors are the clients and that sensors are communicating with the broker. The broker receive communication from the client and send those communication to the other client. And in this MQTT, in MQTT, here in previous slide, you have seen that MQTT act as an interface between these two entity. This one, and this one. So this work on the publish subscribe model. So the broker receive communication from the client and send those communication to the other circuit. And the client do not communicate directly with each other. Here, there is a need of one broker in between the clients. Client may be publisher or subscriber. Both are the clients. Publisher is also client and subscriber is also client. So publisher as well as subscriber both will communicate with the help of broker. And this MQTT is an event-driven protocol. There is no periodic or ongoing data transmission. There is no continuity. This keeps the transmission to a minimum. So if network bandwidth is minimum, so it is best suited protocol. A client only publishes when there is information is to be sent, and broker only send out information to subscriber when new data. So there is not there is no continuation, there is no transfer of data continuously. Only when information is to be sent, if the publisher have information is to be sent, then only there will be connection establishment. So this is working of MQTT protocols, and further we will continue in next video.